Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about 5 trends to modernize the data center. The data center is the heart of modern business operation, housing critical applications and data that power everything from customer relationship management system to enterprise resource planning software. Here are 5 trends that are modernizing the data center. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the most significant trends impacting the data center. Cloud computing offers your businesses a scalable, cost-effective way to access and manage IT resources. As more businesses adopt and cloud computing, they are moving their applications and data to the cloud. This leading to a shift from traditional on-premises data center to hybrid or cloud-only data centers. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are being used to automate and optimize variety of data center tasks such as scalability, capacity planning, performance monitoring, and security incidents detections. By using AI and ML, business can improve their efficiency and reliability of their data centers. Hyperconvergence. Hyperconvergence is a data center architecture that integrates compute, storage, and networking into a single appliance. Hyperconverged appliances are easy to deploy and manage. They can offer significant cost and performance benefits. So, software-defined data center. SDDC is a data center architecture that uses software to abstract and manage underlying hardware resources. SDDC makes it easier to provision and manage data center resources. It can improve the scalability and flexibility of the data center. Internet of Things, the IoT connecting billions of devices to the internet, generating a massive amount of data. This data needs to be stored and processed in the data center. To accommodate IoT, data centers are becoming more agile and scalable. Benefits of modernizing the data center. Modernizing the data center can offer a number of benefits, including improved efficiency. Modern data center technologies can help businesses to improve the efficiency of their data center. This can lead to a significant cost saving. Increased reliability. Modern data center technologies can help businesses to improve the reliability of their data center. This can reduce the downtime and improve business continuity. Enhanced security. Modern data center technologies can help businesses to improve the security of their data center. This can protect critical data from unauthorized access and attack. Greater scalability. Modern data center technologies can help businesses to scale their business data center more easily. This can support business growth and changing business needs. How to modernize the data center? There are a number of steps that businesses can take to modernize their data center. Assess your current data center. The first step is to assess your current data center environment. This includes identifying your current hardware and software as well as your business needs. Develop modernization plan. Once you have assessed your current data center environment, you can develop a modernization plan. This plan should include your goals for modernization as well as steps of that you take to achieve your goals. Implement a modernization plan. Once you have developed a modernization plan, you can start to implement it. This may involve deploying new hardware and software as well as making changes to existing data center environments. Monitor and maintain your modernization data center. Once your data center has been modernized, it is important to monitor and maintain it. And this includes monitoring performance, security, and compliance. On conclusions, modernizing the data center can offer a number of benefits, including improved efficiency, increased reliability, enhanced security, and greater scalability. There are a number of steps business can take to modernize their data center, such as assessing their current needs center, developing a modernization plan, implementing their modernization plan, and monitoring and maintaining their modernized center. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.